Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best GoPro motorcycle helmet mounts available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. TELESIN Motorcycle GoPro Helmet Mount. Another mount that works with full-face helmets, the TELESIN Helmet Chin Mount manages to be both simple and complex at the same time. On one hand, it has a straightforward design with easily adjusted straps. Its simplicity makes it very adaptable. You can use it on everything from cycling helmets to skydiving helmets. On the other hand, there are some complexities in the design if you know where to look. Its J-hook will keep your mount nice and stable so that vibrations don't ruin your footage. It's also made with high-grade PVC plastic instead of cheaper, flimsier materials, so it'll last longer. The downside of the TELESIN GoPro Helmet Chin mount is the same as many other full-face helmets. You can't quite close the visor all of the way, so you'll have to deal with the wind whipping at the bottom of your face. You might need to wear goggles and ear plugs to reduce debris and noise. If you want a solid choice in GoPro helmet mounts, however, this GoPro Chin mount is a good product to put on your shortlist. Who knows? It might be exactly what you need for amazing POV footage. Number 4. Pro Standard Super Visor Helmet Mount. The Pro Standard Super Visor GoPro helmet mount is secured under the breakaway visor of racing helmets. It can be fitted to flat, curved and peaked visors, so it's a great multi-purpose tool. If you race in a lot of events or have to switch between a lot of different helmets for your sponsors, this mount will ensure that your footage never changes with your circumstances. It will always be steady and secure. Speaking of footage, the Pro Standard Super Visor helmet mount is 7mm lower than traditional GoPro visor mounts. This is one of the reasons why it's advertised as a low-profile mount. Not only will it provide a unique perspective for your camera, but it will also reduce the amount of dirt that comes flying towards your lens to ruin your shots. Last, but certainly not least, this GoPro helmet mount is legal for most major racing events. It conforms to the safety standards of the UCI since it will break away from your helmet in the event of a crash. This makes it ultra-safe for things like BMX, ATV, and MTB racing. If you like to document your races and performances with a POV camera, the Pro Standard Super Visor helmet mount is what you need to capture high-quality footage without sacrificing safety or stability. Number 3. PROSHOT Helmet Cam Mounting System. The PROSHOT Helmet Cam Mounting System uses a special type of Velcro that snaps into place rather than just sticking to its own fibers. In addition to being a much stronger method of attachment, it also provides better stability for your camera footage. Shakiness can ruin even the coolest of videos, but with this mount, vibrations will be limited. Another nice thing about this helmet mounting system is that it uses a blinking red light to show you when it's in position. This might sound like a simple feature, but it isn't offered by most mounts, so you can lose your camera in the middle of the woods and not even notice. With this product, however, if the camera falls out of place, the red light will let you know immediately. If you're ready to take some awesome POV footage with a GoPro helmet mount, consider the PROSHOT Helmet Cam Mounting System. It isn't the most high-tech item on the market, but it's a stable one, and you can get years of use from it if you take good care of its parts. Number 2. Full-Face Helmet Chin Mount for GoPro. This full-face helmet mount is ideal for POV footage when you're racing, motorcycling, or motocrossing. It attaches with straps, so you don't have to mess with any sticky adhesives, and it's strong enough to deal with wind, rain, snow, mud, and flying debris from sand and grit. Why is it so durable? Well, the SoPro Chin mount doesn't mess around when it comes to materials. In addition to using the same kind of aluminum that's found in aircraft carriers, it's also made with foam, nylon webbing, and injection-molded plastic. It's perfect for extreme sports of all types. One thing that you might not like about the SoPro mount's full-face chin mount is that you can't quite close the visor all of the way when the straps are in place. This is a minor issue, however, and it won't affect anyone wearing goggles. Are you ready to take some heavy-duty action footage? Put the GoPro Mounts full face chin mount on your chin and rev your engine. Number 1. GoPro Helmet Front Plus Side Mount. When looking for a GoPro helmet mount, the GoPro Helmet Front Plus Side Mount is a good choice. For starters, it can be secured to either the front or side of your helmet. It attaches with a sticky adhesive that can withstand everything from rainy days to high-speed motorcycle winds, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. As for the base plate, it holds your GoPro camera with the help of a mounting buckle and thumb screw. Both of these things are included with your order, so you can get started as soon as you open the box. This helmet mount can be aimed and adjusted to your exact specifications. It's made with a swivel mount that can rotate in multiple directions, so you never have to worry about missing a great shot while you're on the go. The only real drawback of this adhesive mount is that it might not be compatible with certain helmet types. For example, if you have a vented helmet with a lot of open space, there might not be room for a camera mount. That, and it's adhesive, making it a permanent addition to your helmet. All things considered, however, the GoPro helmet mount is a worthwhile investment in terms of GoPro accessories. It does what it needs to do, and it won't be difficult to use it.